they have art on their face. Yeah, I get that makeup is art. But no, I'm talking about literal art.
On my face!
And it looks so beautiful. Tutorials look so effortless. But even a dummy knows that not everybody can do that. I actually paint canvases.
And sell them.
Now the pictures I showed you were Instagram MUAs. And they're absolutely amazing. Their art is just breathtaking. There's one in particular that I follow, and his name is Samuel.Ray with 2 Y's. His work is ridiculous. He's done the sea. He's done Van Gogh.
He drew E.T. on his forehead.
Just with makeup!
What?
As you guys know, I have made an ass of myself on this channel. I picked the easiest thing I could find.
A galaxy. Yes.
Now when it comes to a canvas,
Slay all day.
but actually using makeup, let's begin. I'm gonna make a total mockery of the beauty community. People are gonna hate me. I'm so sorry. As you can tell, eyebrows, foundation, concealer, baking powder. Mr. Samuel Ray used the James Charles palette. I simply do not have that, and what I am going to be using is my favorite. I am going to try to follow a little bit of what he actually does, which I mean I have the basic colors, along with some decent yet cheap brushes that I've had, just because I don't want to ruin my Morphe brushes. So, we're just going to go ahead and
Dive on in. You ready? 'Cause I'm not.
Alright, you can do this. You can do this. I don't want to do it, but you can do it. Oh man, I already messed up. But Bob Ross always says, we don't make mistakes.
Just happy little accidents.
Cynical little bitch. We just did a little quick outline. How'd it look? Like I'm ready to...
Oh shit.
Now it's the fun part. We gotta put the...
Dark midnight blue in the middle.
right there. It just looks blended so perfectly.
This is 34-year-old skin.
These brushes are so screwed. What kind of primer is he using? There's a magic to this. There has to be. There has to be a magic. There has to be. I look like I'm going to see Kiss and Blue Man Group all in one show. What are we doing now? What are we doing now? What are we doing now? And I mean,
Oh no.
I have to get glitter.
Satan's dust.
I have to go and get my 90s caboodle kit and grab my glitter, you know, for special occasions.
What?
We have glitter. Gosh, this is gonna get this is gonna get everywhere. It's gonna be on my face for
Weeks.
He gets a sponge, but I don't have one. I'm going to spritz it with some mint chocolate chip to get it all wet.
Oh my god.
This is pretty. Ooh, this is pretty. Ooh. I like glitter a lot. I have all this glitter left over on the table. This is the best it's gonna do there, boo-boo. More glitter. You blend more glitter.
30 hours later.
If this gets 1 million views,
I'll take a bath in glitter.
it's like I'm going out on the town, you know, when you were 16 on your first date. I had some green glitter. It was my favorite. We don't have to talk about that now.
Glitter gives me bad memories. Oh, it's...
And it's now taking off my makeup.
Unfortunately, I'm gonna need more glitter.
Girl Glide gel liners. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make little stars and stuff, so I won't have to use as much glitter. But this looks like it's gonna need some more glitter, unfortunately. Happy little accidents, my ass.
Bob Ross. Happy little accidents. My ass.
That doesn't even look like a star. That looks like a crater. I forgot I had this. This is gonna be my saving grace, y'all. Saving grace. This is taking up my whole entire face.
And it's not supposed to. It's so pretty.
It was that moment when I realized that I did too damn much. I look like an avatar. Like a rejected avatar. Looked like an avatar that had sex with a Twilight vampire. I looked like Papa Smurf that went Broadway.
Yeah, jazz hands.
Oh my god. Let me explain why I decided to
Abort the mission.
You know, Bob Ross did say we don't make mistakes, just happy little accidents. Just not on the canvas, that's your face. When you mess up, start all over again because it's like painting over wet paint. If you mess up and you paint over it, it's just gonna look literally crusted and dusted.
And I'm not trying to be hip or dope, whatever you kids are saying.
I wasn't prepared because he had a lot of glitter, but he also had these huge specks, like those big old specks, and I didn't have that. And I wasn't gonna go out there looking like Blue Man Group.
To Target, just to go get some glitter.
They probably would think that I was going to an 8-year-old's birthday party that was themed the Smurfs. No. Now I thought that I could probably improvise and make it look good and great, but I just wasn't prepared for it the way that Samuel was. And from one artist to another, I don't want an inspiration of his look be turned into a joke because his art is not a joke. He is very, very, very talented.
Especially in makeup. Holy jeez, man, give me some lessons.
34 years old and I can't even draw a star on my face. I wanted to respect the artist that made the look. Honestly, just really comes to show makeup artists are no joke.
I have a patience for a canvas, not my face.
Respect these makeup artists enough to not create a look and give the final product an epic fail the way that would have been.
I'm a bitch with a heart. Damn it.
But this video just comes to show how hard this is. You're gonna mess up. You guys see my mess ups. I don't mind. But I also have been doing makeup for a very long time. I've also been doing makeup behind closed doors. Makeup has always been a passion of mine. I might joke and laugh and ha ha ha, it's so funny, but it is a passion of mine. My face is feeling a bit awful.
And a bit flared.
I have glitter all over me. So I'm gonna take a shower
With a Brillo pad. And it's still not gonna get off all the glitter.
I played with glitter for nothing. Well, that was great. I'm gonna keep trying. You think I'm not gonna do makeup on this channel? You are flipping nuts. I like making myself look like a dumbass, not anybody else's work. Jeez Louise. Jeez Louise, really? Really? Where'd you get that? Off of a script from Gilligan's Island? Gidget? Gidget goes to Hawaii? Tell me, where? When did you start saying Jeez Louise? God! You're old as shit! I can't believe I quit like that, but...
Bob Ross can suck it.